Have you ever seen a chameleon catch its prey? It's one of nature's most incredible feats of engineering, a high-speed drama that unfolds in the blink of an eye. Today, we're going to slow it all down and uncover the mind-blowing physics behind that lightning-fast tongue. Get ready to have your perspective on these amazing creatures completely changed. So, how does a chameleon launch its tongue at such an astonishing speed, sometimes over 60 miles per hour? It's all thanks to a specialized muscle called the accelerator muscle. Think of it like a biological catapult. This muscle doesn't just push the tongue out. It preloads an enormous amount of elastic energy, coiling up like a spring. When the chameleon is ready to strike, it releases all that stored energy at once. The result is an explosive acceleration that's more than 50 times the force of gravity. That's faster than a fighter jet accelerating. This incredible power allows the chameleon to snatch prey from a distance, giving it a huge advantage in the wild. It's not just muscle power. It's a brilliant use of potential energy. Now, a super-fast launch is useless if the tongue can't actually grab the target. This is where the chameleon's second secret weapon comes into play, a combination of super sticky saliva and a suction cup effect. The tip of the chameleon's tongue isn't just a sticky ball. It's actually shaped like a club with a small cavity at the end. Just before impact, muscles pull the center of the tip inward, creating a small suction cup. This suction helps it grab onto the surface of the insect. But the real magic is in the saliva. It's what scientists call a non-Newtonian fluid. At rest, it's thin, but upon high-speed impact, its viscosity increases dramatically, becoming almost like a glue. It's over 400 times stickier than human saliva. This powerful 1-2 punch of suction and adhesion ensures that once the tongue makes contact, the prey isn't going anywhere. The hunt isn't over until the meal is secured. After the successful strike, the chameleon needs to bring its prize back, and it does so with incredible speed and precision. This is the rapid retraction phase. A different set of muscles, the retractor muscles, spring into action. These muscles act like a bungee cord, rapidly pulling the tongue and the attached insect back into the chameleon's mouth. The entire process, from launch to retraction, can happen in less than a second. It's a perfectly coordinated sequence of events. The elastic energy release for the launch, sticky suction for the grab, and the powerful retraction to bring home the meal. It's a testament to millions of years of evolution. It's creating one of the most efficient and awe-inspiring predators in the animal kingdom. From the spring-loaded accelerator muscle to the glue-like saliva and the bungee cord retraction. The chameleon's tongue is a marvel of biological physics. It shows how nature has solved complex engineering problems in the most elegant ways. Every time you see a chameleon now, you'll know the incredible science packed into that lightning-fast strike. It's not just a tongue. It's a high-tech hunting tool perfected by evolution. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of chameleons. If you found this as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing science content. Let us know in the comments what other natural wonders you'd like us to explore next. See you in the next video.